Alright.
Alright. So we used to buy tomato sauce.
Yeah.
I had to think about it. We used to buy tomato sauce all the time, so I said, okay, when we run out, I was gonna start making it from scratch. So we ran out. So now I looked up how to make tomato sauce from scratch, and it's pretty easy. So this will be my first time making it. So I wanted to document it so we can see how it tastes, how it looks.
I didn't even see how it tastes.
I said we, like me and you. By our reaction, we can help somebody else.
Oh my god.
Right?
No.
So right now I'm just cutting off the ends. Why are you laughing at me? What do you call it? The bottom?
Ugh.
Oh, right here I have the I just chopped up some fresh garlic. And then I just chopped up some onions just to give it some flavor. There. But I got it on low because I don't want it to burn right now. So they say use a fruit processor to chop the tomatoes up. But I don't have that, so I'm using a blender, which will do the same thing. Right? So now I'm just going to cut it in 4 and put it in there. Or not. Depends. I don't do anything by the book. I do whatever I feel like doing. So, bear with me.
Not with me? You know.
Yes, not with you. But like, as far as cooking goes, I mean, yeah, I follow recipes, but not really. I always add my own twist to it so I can make it taste better. I should have made you do it.
Nah, I'm good.
This is the only thing I can't cut in my hand because it's too juicy. That's why you see me using a cutting board, which I normally don't use.
That's good. We paid for it. Might as well use it.
Yeah, we got this from Marshall's. It's a bamboo cutting board. Because this one I have right here is too small. So I only use that for, you know, a few things. Or whatever.
Alright, so this will come back when you're done.
Oh, damn up near. Alright, so you guys, I put everything in here. And instead of using like blend smoothie, I just used a pulse. See how it chops it up? I put it on what, 3, 4. There you go. Then you just pour it into whatever it is that you're sauteing.
That's how you gotta do this.
Well,
you add seasoning and stuff too, that's it?
Yeah, you can use basil, any type of herb, parsley. Okay. Oh, wait, I don't like the popping. So to get the rest of that, I'm just gonna put a little water because nobody likes watery tomato sauce. That's nasty. All right. You just stir everything. I'm gonna add a little salt here. This should take about 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes to 90 minutes, but it really depends on what you want. So I'm gonna start off saying 30 minutes. Any more salt?
It's on the bottom.
I'm gonna start off saying 30 minutes for now.
Should be under that.
Yeah. Also, we switched from using table salt to Himalayan pink salt. Fine grain, you can use sea salt, but this one has a lot of minerals in it. You can look it up here. That's why I was saying I ran out of my salt. Alright. just
She just
gonna
got it
shake
because
a
it's
little.
pink, y'all.
No. I mean, yes, that is my favorite color, light pink. Alright, so I'm just gonna let this cook. It's not necessary to cover. Just put it on medium and watch it. Add a little bit, some more herbs like oregano. Sorry. So, it's the only herb I have in here right now. I normally like to use fresh herbs, but I don't have any right now. So we're just gonna do that. Add a little pepper. For looks, really.
Sure.
Alright. So I'm just gonna watch it. Like I said, I'm gonna start off with 30 minutes and then see what it's looking like. Right now it doesn't look like tomato sauce at all. So we'll come back and show you the result.
So we back.
Alright, y'all. So it has been, can y'all see that? It's been 30 minutes. Alright, looks pretty good for 30 minutes. I did just taste it and it tastes pretty good. But I'm gonna cook it a little longer because it tastes like raw tomato. You know, like if the ones who eat tomatoes raw and add salt and pepper, right? It tastes kind of like that, which is good. It's just, I kind of want it to taste more cooked like tomato sauce. So I'm gonna cook it another, I'm gonna say 15 minutes. All right, that will hit me at 45 minutes of cooking this.
What you got over here?
So it looks pretty good. Right now I'm making eggplant parmesan. So you just cut the eggplant. It's not perfect at all, but you just cut the eggplant. You do a little egg wash. I put a little garlic and seasoning in here. Dip it in there. Put it in the flour, and then put it in here to fry. Once it gets brown, it's not brown enough, but once it gets more brown than that, then I'm gonna flip it and cook the other side, and then that will be it.
Alright, cool. So we'll see y'all another update in about like 15 minutes, you said?
Give me 30.
Okay, alright.
Alright, y'all, so I added the extra 15 minutes, so it's about 45 minutes. So let's see. I have to blow it first, it's hot. Wanna try it?
Yeah, I'll try a little bit. I'll try when I eat it.
Tastes really, ooh, it's about to double dip. That tastes really good. So to me, I guess it's up to your preference. Right now, I'm satisfied with this. And it's been 45 minutes. You might not want it chunky. I mean, it really depends. You could blend it a little bit more. I don't mind it like this. So this would be a tomato, garlic, and onion tomato sauce. So then I made the fried eggplant pasta, and I got some Parmesan cheese in the middle. So I'm just gonna pour it over there and then bake it. And then that would be our dinner with some fresh spinach. I gotta make that too. All right, you guys.
So the finished product.
This is eggplant Parmesan with fresh tomato sauce.
Alright, this bowl, spinach.
Looks pretty good. You ready to try it?
Yeah. Alright, so cool. So something that Danisha do all the time. So just wanted to record it. You know what I mean? So is there anything else you want to say?
Yeah, so the tomato sauce we used to buy, everybody, obviously buys tomato sauce. It has a lot of sodium in it. How much sodium, remember you was reading it?
I forgot. It was a lot.
It was so much sodium that every time that James would eat the tomato sauce, like if I made spaghetti, he would have like heartburn, or he'll do like a lot of burping or whatever. So I realized, okay, let me look at the back. And it had a lot. I think, I want to say 300 something milligram sodium. Obviously it was a big amount. That's why I decided to, okay, let's try to make it from scratch so I can still make spaghetti, because I like spaghetti. And we haven't ate it in a while, only because James just can't eat it no more. So we're gonna see how he is gonna do with this. And obviously he will be fine because I didn't put a lot of salt.
Extra all that, the preservatives,
right?
And the extra crap. So
as you can see, I made it from scratch, and I used. So these are the ingredients I used. So fresh plum tomatoes or steak tomatoes, doesn't matter. I used fresh garlic, onions, oregano, salt, pepper, and a little bit of sugar, and then a little bit of water, and then that was it. So that's fresh, and that's better than buying canned or jar. So I will recommend people to start making their stuff from scratch, and it doesn't take long. It was actually pretty easy, and I'm not the one that like to be in the kitchen that long, so that was good for me to do.
Cool. So
alright,
this is real life with James and Di. Right,
show your face. Don't be showing me.
Peace.
So you liking that homemade tomato sauce, ain't it? He's saving the crap out of that bowl. How it tastes?
Oh! That's real good.
This first time trying eggplant too, y'all. Or he said second, but that I made it, I should say.
Yeah. It's not bad at all.
So all y'all vegetarians out there, I mean, you don't have to have chicken parmesan, you just have eggplant parmesan.